Friends in CAM Tech channels. Now in this tutorial we'll learn how to CAM perform in SolidWorks. Now first of all we make one simple model, select the parts and now cavity models. Now select the sketch and select the top plane. Now draw the square here. Equals length. Now provide the dimension. Now finish the sketch. Now select the features, extrude 10 mm upward. Now finish the sketch, applying the appearance like a steel. Now sketch, select the square, and now offsetted in reverse direction 7 mm. Now finish this one, finish the sketch, extrude up to 25 mm, finish the sketch. Now first pick a radius at corner, features, select fillet, radius at each bottom edges. Now 10 mm radius, finish this one. Now here no cam option are available, so from setting, add-ins, and now from here SolidWorks CAM option are available. Now OK. Now you can see here they add the SolidWorks CAM. Now select this one. Now first of all we define the machine, mill machine, mills. Here different options are available. Mill machine, here mill metric, 4-axis machine and 5-axis machine. We simple select the metric machine. Milling center, here the machine parameters are available. Machine duty, medium duty. Now tool grips, different tools are available, flat end, center drill, ball nose. Now second one is the processor. Now 3-axis processor, 4-axis, 5-axis. If you have any your own machine of processor, post processor, then you can use from your browsers and you can select your processor, machine processor. Now here the parameters are available. Hanuk type systems, said home 508 mm. Now posting, define to coolant on off, setup, rotary axis, tilt axis. Now simple here we select the mill metric machine. Now OK. Now coordinate system, what coordinate system is here, select moving y-axis. Select part bounding box vertex and now select the stop mirror point. Now coordinate axis is here. You can see from here top side. Now finish this one. Now here stock manager. If you require in parts very accuracy, then you provide the stock different direction, provide the offset. Material 60626 aluminum alloy. Now finish this one. We'll set up extract machinable feature. Select this one. Now generate operation plan, generate tool path. Now you can see here mill roughing are provided. Now from here tool dimension will change from here, feed and speed. Roughing parameter is changed from here, and see now drilling process optimization. Tool from here is 38 mm, change. Now okay, finish. Now you can see here the operation name rough mill 1, tool diameter 20 mm, tool material carbide, feed rate, self feed rate, spindle speed. Now this parameter are available from here. Now from here generate tool path, simulate tool path, play from here. Speed increase. Now you can see here rough 2, which is on and taper tools. Which is a bottom diameter 11 mm. Can change from here tool diameters. Now third operation is contour to run in this one, which is a hog nose. Here 1 mm radius are provided and radius. Now you can see here. Now from here select post processor process again. Now your program post is done. Now you can see here from programming file. Thank you for watching this video, and now subscribe my channel, YouTube channel CAM Tech.